Hey y'all, it's AK here with Chaos Fab Shop, and I want to take the time to tell you about Top Coat F11. For Raptor owners, really for anybody that has any kind of plastic and stuff that's exposed to sun, but especially for Raptor guys. One of the biggest problems with the Gen 1 Raptors is these cowls. I don't have to tell you all about it, you already know about it. They fade in the sun, and one of the questions that I get all the time is, what do I do to keep this thing taken care of? One of the things you can do is put Armor All, put tire dressing, stuff like that on there. But by far the best stuff that I've found to put on there is Top Coat F11. So this is what it looked like. I just wiped this down and I realized that, you know, this stuff works so great on all the rest of my vehicles, all the rest of the plastic, the rubber, the trim. And I realized that we should probably make a video and show you how well this works. Blows my mind. So we're gonna put it on there, let it soak in across the windshield wiper arms. And I have tried so many different things. How can I get this to make it look like it did many years ago, before it had all the torture and abuse from all the desert, from the sun, all the ultraviolet. We're gonna put that on there, let it soak in, put a little bit more on if you need it. Let it soak in just a little bit and then wipe it down. And this cowl is right exactly back to where it was back when this thing was new. And what I like about it is it's not a greasy finish that's going to attract dirt and mud. Because, I mean, let's face it, this Raptor does enough job of attracting all the dirt and all the mud by itself. But this Top Coat F11, before we take it out and play with it, before we go get it dirty, we always coat this thing down, and it makes it so much easier to clean off. We can literally wash it down with just a water hose and most of the dirt just falls right off. Then you just wipe it and it's back to clean again. So, Raptor guys, Top Coat F11. If you get it, you'll get it. You get it? I love Top Coat 11 so much that once you use it, you're gonna love it too. You're gonna wanna spray it on your shower. When your wife asks you to do the dishes, this is the secret right here. Makes them squeaky clean. Nothing will be attracted to them. And it'll make it a lot easier for you to take them outside and hose all the dishes off. But anyway, Raptor guys, Top Coat F11, put it on the paint, put it on everything, especially on the cowls, all the plastics, make it look brand new. Top Coat F11.